So I'm looking at the residential market. The current state of the market is that over the past year, I guess in the past year, it's been a seller's market. But just recently, over these last few months, there's been a cooling off in the housing market. I actually found a report of prices actually going down in some areas. I don't think that is the norm. But in some areas, those prices were actually dipping there for a little bit. Um, Interest rates are high right now, and they are expected to continue to rise. The future state of the housing market is expected to continue to rise slowly over the next few years. Prices are supposed to go up around 2 to 3% a year, but that is lower than what it has been over the past few years, and basically since we started to come back from the recession. But things are going to slow down. There are no housing market crashes ahead of us that we can see yet. The last recession with the housing market crash, there was a lot of fraud involved, so there shouldn't be any of that this time. So even if there's a cooling off, there shouldn't be any major crashes in the housing market. Over the next few years, home buyers will have more negotiating power, and sellers will have to be more willing to make compromises. The higher end markets and the upper tier houses will soften, and demand for entry level housing will still remain high. Those are the things that I found with the residential markets as of right now.